water meter. Old gate valve's not working. Need to replace it.
I ain't worried about the Uber to get you home. I'm worried about my money that you spend on my other. Like I say, I paid my Apple Card. That's why I gave you the limit on that Apple Card. But all them subscriptions and all that bullshit that came out from your account, that's what I want.
Jeez, the bottom one, man. Top one looks good. Bottom one, wow, garbage, man. But it ain't leaking, so let's get this away. I don't have any space to store scrap copper. My garage is already packed to the limit with stuff, so I just throw it away. Okay, so now the water is off. Alright, you ever seen something like that? Look at that thing. And look at this, look at this. Look at this. So you have your regular 1/2 inch. But look at those. I think it's just 3/4. That's what it looks like, but I don't know. So, but it's leaking by. That's the issue with that. Okay. I thought, well, it actually might be these. I don't know. Well, we got an assorted flat washers pack here. I've had this forever. Normally, I'm the type of guy to say, you should just replace it because it's just, these things get so crusty. But this one, most likely aren't going to be able to find. So we will try and see if we can't just replace a washer. Looks like we had that on there, and then the other one was no, that's 3/8. That might have actually been a 3/8 right there, but these are 1/4L right there. So it looks like, I don't know, this one might be the 1/4L 1/4 inch. And this just got squished over time. But those went in there. Perfect fit. I tried these were a little bit too small, and the 3/8 was a little bit too big. So I think it's 1/4 inch. Let's go try them. Water's back on. Looks like that did the trick. That most certainly did the trick.